Welcome to my channel. Printer Wi-Fi not working? Try these simple fixes. Step 1. Restart your printer. Turn off your printer, wait for 30 seconds, and turn it back on. This clears temporary glitches. Step 2. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Unplug your router, wait for a minute, and plug it back in. This refreshes your network connection. Step 3. Check Wi-Fi connection on printer. Make sure your printer is connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. Reconnect if needed. Step 4. Move printer closer to router. Weak signal can cause connection issues. Place your printer closer to the router. Step 5. Re-enter Wi-Fi password. Incorrect password is a common issue. Enter the correct Wi-Fi password again carefully. Step 6. Run printer network setup wizard. Use the printer's built-in setup option to reconnect it to your Wi-Fi network. Step 7. Check for IP address. Ensure your printer has a valid IP address. If not, reconnect it to the network. Step 8. Update printer drivers. Install the latest printer drivers on your computer to avoid compatibility issues. Step 9. Disable VPN or firewall temporarily. Sometimes security settings block the printer connection. Turn them off and test again. Step 10. Reset printer network settings. If nothing works, reset the printer's network settings and set up Wi-Fi again from scratch. Thanks for watching.